Mr. Dhananjay Datar not only dared to live his dreams, but decided to surpass them. His story is an inspiration to many Indians who want to achieve success where even sky is no limit. Tracing his roots from Akola in Maharashtra, Mr. Datar was born into a simple Maharashtrian family and completed his education in Mumbai. His father, Mr. Mahadev Datar, migrated to Dubai in 1976. Then in 1984, his father opened a small supermarket, the first ever branch of Al Adil in Bur, Dubai, after completing his Jebel Ali contract. Though small, it gave hope to Dhananjay Datar, who was just 20 years. In no time, the shop became a success, selling Indian food items. The same year, analyzing the increasing demands of NRI Indians, especially Punjabis, Maharashtrians, Gujaratis, Marwadis, Sindhis, Mr. Datar opened a small mill under the name of Al Adil Trading Company to pound fresh spices and herbs. He began supplying all kinds of Indian food items like pickles, papads, flours to many local hotels, catering companies and supermarkets. The variety and freshness became synonymous with Al Adil's name, hence received tremendous response, generating more demand in the market. It was then in 1987 that Mr. Datar opened a huge state-of-the-art factory in Al Quoz, which would cater to all the bulk business. He also launched his own brand called Peacock. The brand became highly popular as the only Indian brand to provide high-quality and fresh Indian items. It was around that time that Mr. Datar began to feel a void in his personal life, and on 27 June 1994, he got married to Vandana, who was from Satara in Maharashtra. In Vandana, he found his true soulmate. He considers her his lucky mascot. Vandana also gifted him with two lovely sons, Rishikesh and Rohit. Al Adil got its first prestigious contract from none other than the famous Dubai Duty Free, supplying them with not only spices but also nuts and dry fruits. He received an appreciation award from Dubai Duty Free as the 8th best supplier from the selected 52 out of an entire 3,000 nominations from Sheikh Ahmed bin Saeed Al Maktoum. The next contract took the company to even greater heights. The company supplied to the national carrier of Dubai Airport, the Emirates Airlines. After that, the list of clients kept increasing, with all the major luxury hotels like Hotel Burj Al Arab, Jumeirah Group of Hotels, Sheraton, Hilton, Le Méridien, Hyatt Group, Rotana Group, contracting Al Adil as their regular and trusted supplier. Initially, Vandana was able to provide only mental and emotional support, but now with the kids grown up, she oversees the finance of the company. And in the last 6 months, the company booked a record 40% profit due to her efforts. He gifted his beloved wife with the most luxurious royal car, a Rolls-Royce Phantom Special Edition. It is not surprising that his name is there in the Guinness Book of World Records for celebrating his son Rohit's thread ceremony at a height of 40,000 feet in a Jet Airways 737 Boeing plane, traveling at a speed of 870 knots per hour. Mr. Datar has received numerous awards of appreciation from various clients. Mr. Datar celebrated the silver jubilee of his company Al Adil at a height of 35,000 feet in a royal jet-chartered flight in Boeing Business Jet on the 22nd March 2009 in the presence of numerous journalists. Today, Al Adil Trading Company owns 6 supermarkets, 2 flour mill factories and 1 spices factory in Dubai, Abu Dhabi and Sharjah, and also a branch of Mumbai Export Division in the name of Tulaja Exports in Mumbai, India. The company is proud to have a monopoly in the sale of spices and atta in UAE. The company also has diversified into imports and export under the special class establishment. The company now aims to speed its growth while launching Masala King Export Trading Private Limited, which would manufacture a whole range of Indian food and grocery items under their brand Peacock to make it a household name in every product. In UAE, the company plans to open even more new branches in Al Ain and Abu Dhabi in TCA. Mr. Dhananjay Datar also is on the verge of spreading the Al Adil network in other countries like Bahrain, Doha, Qatar and Kuwait, making the company's presence more prominent in the Middle East. Mr. Dhananjay Datar, a man with many facets to whom nothing is impossible.